Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your glider in Fisch on PS4. First, let's get you airborne. To begin, ensure your glider is equipped from your inventory. Once you're ready, find a good elevated spot like a tall cliff or building. Take a leap, and as you fall, press the X button on your PlayStation controller. This action will deploy your glider, allowing you to soar through the air. It's a simple two-step process to get started. Now that you're gliding, let's talk about control. Your primary tool for navigation is the left analog stick. Pushing it left or right will steer your glider in that direction, allowing you to navigate around obstacles. To gain speed and cover more distance, push the stick forward to dive. If you need to slow down or gain a little altitude, gently pull the stick back. Mastering these movements will help you reach your destination efficiently. To truly master gliding, look for environmental advantages. Updrafts are your best friend. These are often visible as shimmering air currents. Flying into them will give you a significant boost in altitude, extending your flight time by many seconds. When it's time to land, aim for a clear, flat area. Gently pull back on the left stick to slow your descent. Release the glider button just before you touch the ground for a soft, controlled landing, avoiding any fall damage. Gliding isn't just for getting from point A to point B. It's a fantastic tool for exploration. You can quickly cover vast distances, reaching areas that might otherwise be inaccessible or take much longer to reach on foot. Use your glider to scout out new locations, find hidden collectibles, or simply enjoy the panoramic views. Remember to always look before you leap, ensuring a clear path and a safe landing zone. Happy gliding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.